All right, friends, it is that time for us to draw our big winner of the Media Sales Academy contest. Somebody here in just a couple seconds is going to win $500 in Southwest gift cash, pay for your ticket to come. We're going to put you up at our hotel, and of course, you get to attend the training event absolutely free of charge. But even if you're not the big winner today, you're still going to be a winner, not only in my book, but we're going to give you a special promo code after we draw our big winner so that you can get 25% off. Even if you don't win, if you'd still like to join us in Chicago or Dallas. Our main topic this year, we already had one in Vegas. It was great. Our main topics this year are focused on selling during times of economic uncertainty. Okay? All right, so we have a total of 45 entries in the contest. So let's go ahead and go over to random.org, and you can see that on your screen right now. And we've punched in, we've got 45 entries, 45, there we go. And so let's generate our random number. And so the randomly generated number is 44. So now let's buzz over to our spreadsheet and pop down to number 44. Congratulations to Taryn Creighton from Press Enterprise. Congratulations, Taryn Creighton from Press Enterprise. You have just won $500 in Southwest gift card cash to be used to come to Chicago or to Dallas. I'm going to personally put you up at the same hotel that we'll all be staying at, and you're going to be there for free of charge, and you get to come to the training as well. So congratulations, Taryn. I look forward to seeing you in Chicago or seeing you in Dallas. For the rest of you, guess what? You're still a winner, and you can get 25% off the Chicago or Dallas class. Use the promo code TEAM, T-E-A-M, in all capital letters when you check out and pay for your registration. That's going to take 25% off the price. So congratulations to everybody that's a winner today using the promo code TEAM, 25% off when you register over at nichemediaevents.com. Just click on the Media Sales Academy tab and then pick whichever city you're going to attend. All right, we look forward to seeing you at our upcoming Media Sales Academy training classes.